Hello everyone. Compute the value of f1.5 using Newton's forward interpolation formula from the following table. Values of x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and corresponding values of fx 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35. Let us find forward difference table. X values are corresponding fx values are 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. How to find the first order difference, second order difference and third order difference, so on. Let us take the tabulated points x0, y0, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x4, y4, x5, y5. The first order difference del y is y1 minus y0, y2 minus y1. The way to write, look here, in the middle of y0 and y1. Similarly, in the middle of y1 and y2. Then y3 minus y2, y4 minus y3, y5 minus y4. So, del y0 is y1 minus y0. Del y1 is y2 minus y1. Del y2 is y3 minus y2 and so on. Now the second order difference, del 2y. Del y1 minus del y0. So del 2y0 is del y1 minus del y0. So this is y2 minus y1 minus y1 minus y0. So y2 minus 2y1 plus y0. Similarly, you can find del 2y1 and so on. Third order difference del 3y is, let me find here, del y2 minus del y1, del y3 minus del y2, del y4 minus del y3. So here we will find del y2 minus 2 del y1 plus del y0. Similarly, del y3 minus 2 del y2 plus del y1. Del y4 minus 2 del y3 plus del y2. Now the fourth order difference you can find subtracting these two and then subtracting these two, and fifth order difference will be subtraction of the last two terms. So del fx, the first order difference, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Del 2fx, the second order difference, 0, 0, 0, 0. As all of these are 0, so no need to find the higher order differences. Now let us write the Newton's forward interpolation formula. Yx is y0 plus s del y0 plus s into s minus 1 by factorial 2 del 2 y0 plus s into s minus 1 s minus 2 by factorial 3 del 3 y0 plus dot dot dot. Here y0 equals to fx0. Del y0 equals to del fx0. So in the table, let's see, this is x0, this is x1, this is x2, this is x3, this is x4, and this is x5. Similarly, this one is f of x0, this is f of x1, this is f of x2, and so on. And this one is del of fx0, this is 5, and this is del 2 fx0, which is 0. So we have to take these values 10, 5, and 0. Now let us put y of x is y0, that is 10 plus s del y0, that is 5, plus rest of the terms are zeros. Now what is s? S equals to x minus x0 divided by h. So x minus x0, see in the table x0 is 1. And what is h? H is the difference between these consecutive numbers. So 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, 4 minus 3, 1, 5 minus 4, 1, 6 minus 5, 1. So all of them are same, they are equispaced. That's why we have used forward difference formula, and the value of h is 1. So here s is x minus 1 by 1. Yx is 10 plus x minus 1, 5. Now y of 1.5 is 10 plus 1.5 minus 1 into 5, which is 10 plus 2.5, that is 12.5. Therefore, f of 1.5 is 12.5. This is the answer. Hope all of you understood. If you have any question, please drop in the comment box. Here is another question. Compute the value of f 3.5 using Newton's forward interpolation formula from the following table. So work out this question yourself. If you have any question, please drop in the comment box.